Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Groupon. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Groupon and you will enter here in this page. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Groupon. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.